Hello friends, welcome to DreamPG YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about some of the important points regarding bacterial growth curve. Bacterial growth curve is divided into four main phases. They are lag phase, log phase, stationary phase and the death phase. First one is the lag phase. In the lag phase, the bacterial cell increases its size and it reaches the maximum size in lag phase. There is no multiplication takes place in this stage. So, there is no increase in the number of the bacterial cells during this lag phase. Only there is increase in the size. The next phase is the log phase. It is also called as exponential phase. Why it's called as exponential phase? Because bacterial cell division takes place in this phase, as a result of which there is an exponential increase in the number of bacterial cells. The cell size becomes smaller and smaller due to this division. So, the bacteria can be stained uniformly in this log phase. When this cell division stops, the bacterial growth curve will reach a stationary phase. Here, there will be accumulation of secondary metabolic products like endotoxins and antibiotics occurs. As a result of which, there will be irregular staining of the bacterial cells occur in the stationary phase. It is in this phase of bacterial growth curve the sporulation occurs. So, important point that you have to remember is that sporulation of bacteria occurs in the stationary phase of bacterial growth curve. The last phase of the bacterial growth curve is the death phase. The secondary metabolic products already accumulated in the stationary phase starts acting here, which leads to the cell death. Involutional form of bacteria is seen in the death phase of bacterial growth curve. Now please answer this question, guys. Involutional form of bacteria is seen in which phase of bacterial growth curve? Option A, lag phase. Option B, log phase. Option C, stationary phase. Option D, phase of decline or death phase. Yeah, that's it, guys.